Hey guys, so the next step after we made sure that we've gone to the nuxt.js website and that's the looking for Nuxt 3 version 3, and we've clicked on getting started. You have downloaded all these. You can make sure that you have Node, so if you're on Windows, you could go to the type in CMD, you go to the command prompt, and then just type in node-v. It's going to tell you if you have Node. So you have 16.15, and it says here that you're supposed to have you're using version 14.16 or above 16.11. So I'm using 16.15, which will work. The next thing now is to, after you follow these directions, is to create a new Nuxt 3 app. So we can just get that. So you can either use CMD, but one that I really like to use is the git. Let's call it again, git bash. It's really good. I think it's better than the common Windows command prompt, and I believe you get it from Git itself. So if you type in git bash downloads Git, I believe that will get you git bash, which behaves a lot like Linux. Okay, so we have that, and then we're gonna just see where we're gonna install our Nuxt app. I like to put mine in the C drive. So let me see where, I don't know where we are. C -code. This is where I like to put it. And if you look at my source tree, I mean, right here is C, and then I have code. And this is where I have all my little apps. So code, I'm right there. Yeah, I'm right there. So we're going to create a new Nuxt app right here, and we're just going to follow the directions. So npx, see init, just going to click that, paste, but I'm going to call it something else. We'll just call it, let's call it tutorial 1. Long word, tutorial 1. So this is going to be the name of your Nuxt 3 app. So yes, it's going to be downloading stuff. You're just going to have to be patient here. Okay, that was fast. So clone starter v3, blah 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 blah. Okay, so we're going to do cd tutorial. We're going to change directories and go to tutorial-1. Okay, so we're in. You could do a list command here and check, list, and that will list all the files you have. It just shows that you have your Nuxt app is ready. That app.view is your Nuxt app, and if you go to the UI, you see it. Where is it? There it is, tutorial 1. So you have your, yep, there we go. We have our Nuxt app started, but we need a lot of node modules to begin. That's how JavaScript apps work nowadays. So we have to do a yarn install to install all the, let's see here, I'm gonna open in Notepad. So we have a lot of dependencies here. Okay, we've just Nuxt 3 and all this good stuff. Alright, so let's get that going. So, lost my train of thought here. Okay, here we are. So, it's a open Nuxt app folder in Visual Studio Code. Code Nuxt app. So if I'm here, actually I need to move out of the CD, see where I am. Okay, so I'm just going to say code. That means Visual Studio Code open tutorial And if you're using Linux or you're using this Git bash, you can just start typing a word and then hit the tab, and then it'll tell you what it is. So we're going to open that in Visual Studio Code. Sweet, that's beautiful. So we have all our files and folders here. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to close that. I'm going to click on the terminal here. Visual Studio Code is really nice because you can work on the terminal right here. No, I don't want that. So we're in, and we are going to do a yarn install. I think, or just yarn would do it, but we'll follow the directions. So yarn install. That's gonna. Oh, that was fast. We got our node modules already. Okay, if you go back to VS Code, what do we have? Wait a minute, what did I do? I'm gonna try that again. There we go. No, now it's working. I got too many windows open. So we're downloading all these packages. You can take a break and go get some coffee or make a cupcake or something. And I'm going to close all these many windows that I have. So let me close this so I don't get confused. I'm going to close Notepad. Got all these confusing windows. XAMPP. Man, I got so much stuff here. Postman. Getting started. Command prompt. Alright, so we got a lot of dependencies here. I'll probably speed up this video. Okay. Great. It took 42 seconds. So we have a lot of packages here. This is all the stuff that Nuxt 3 needs to operate. Alright. So now that you're here, we are good to go. Let's go create an amazing app. Thanks for being part of nuxt.tips. See you guys soon.